Aloha fam, it's your boy Harley Fat Boy Jr. Hope everyone's doing well. In the garage, hanging out. Kind of crappy outside. With my sidekick. Practicing her lacrosse skills. But just want to do a quick unpackaging. I've had a package and an envelope for quite some time now that was sent to me by Michael, the admin of the Fat Boy Owners Group on Facebook. And this group's been around for a little over 13 years. I became a member about a year ago. And yeah, I think we're over 50,000 followers now that are in the group. And just an amazing place to go for all kinds of information related to the Fat Boy bike. But more importantly for me, it's been really helpful because I have 2020 Fat Boy with the Milwaukee 8 engine, and just all the bikes from like 2018 up are a little different. And as far as like modifications from like windshield to pipes to bars to all that good stuff, it's a great place to go to kind of just get information from everyone and see what everyone's rocking. But they have been nothing short of amazing, and to get the package for them really meant a lot. So shout out to everyone out there, because there's obviously, we're not friends, we're just part of this group, but everyone is always so nice and really helpful. There are some people that get a little out of hand sometimes with certain things, but everyone's passionate about this, that, and the other. And I just think from a respect point, I think everyone's kind of been pretty chill. But I've gotten a lot of feedback from a lot of people, and people have sent me tons of pictures of things I was asking about, which has been super helpful because I'm planning to go to Sturgis, and I've been looking for, especially for my 2020 Fat Boy, a windshield and saddlebags and whatnot. So a lot of people have gotten back to me. They've been super helpful, and if you guys are watching, I truly appreciate it. It means a lot because we've gone back and forth like time and time again for like the last 4 to 6 weeks, and it's been super helpful. So I'm getting close, really close to getting everything I need for Sturgis, which is in a couple months. So pretty excited about that. But also shout out to the moderator of the page, Natalie. You guys do a great job of kind of just keeping everyone in check, and it's got to be tough when you got 50,000+ followers or people that are in the group. So good job with that. But yeah, anyways, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and open up this package. I believe it's a shirt and a sticker. I'm not sure. I haven't opened it, but it's been sitting for probably like most of the stuff on this table right now for 4 to 6 months probably. But if you follow the channel, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications, like, comment, all that good stuff. If you guys want to join the journey of me being me. But yeah, let's get to it. All right, so I'm gonna unpackage the shirt, which I believe this is, and then I'll let my sidekick do what I believe is a sticker. But ooh, look at this. Oh yeah, wow. You know me, guys, I'm all about black, but I'm loving this design right there. Proud Fat Boy owner. Michael, good job, man. I believe it's Michael that did all this stuff, who was the admin of the channel. But yeah, wow, it's really nice. Also got the logo on the front. I like it. And a lot of times they never have my size, but they did this time. There you go, big boy. Right on. Woo, another one for the collection. Yeah. All right, babe, here. Open the envelope.
Okay.
See what we got in there. Ooh.
Whoa.
What? Show it off. Uh-oh. Cool. Where are we going to put this bad boy? See a spot over there?
Oh. Right here.
Right on the bottom?
Uh-huh.
Alright. Wait. Okay. See, maybe it'll go right there. But right on for the sticker. Good stuff. Yeah, but sorry it took me so long to open up this bad boy. I'm super stoked to rock this shirt and put the sticker somewhere, so right on. But yeah, that was it. Just want to unpackage that and finally get it out of the way. And also, a lot of times too, I don't open things because I really want to take time to do a video and just really, you know, show love to these people that send me stuff and how appreciative I am of them. So, great shirt, great sticker. Gonna add it to the collection. Super stoked. I'm about to rock this shirt right now, but it looks good, and I'm super thankful. So, if you are a Fat Boy owner and you're looking for a page to join that's super friendly, informative, supportive, all that good stuff, go join them on Facebook. Like I said, I'll put all their information in the description below. And yeah, go check them out. Alright, so I got my Live Fast sweats on, my new Harley shirt, Fat Boy action. Yeah. Got my sticker. Proud Fat Boy owner. Definitely proud. There's the bike right there, just hanging out in the corner, chilling. Right on. But yeah, loving the shirt. Black all day. Boom.